Are you stuck with your legal research work? Do you feel that researching is a cumbersome task? Hi budding lawyers, Prasanna Naidu here. In this video, I'm going to talk about legal research and I'll also share some tips as to how to do it more efficiently. Lawyers have too many matters going on simultaneously, so the workload is huge. Daytime is usually spent in courts and then you are supposed to go to your office and prepare for the cases listed for the next day. Seniors are busy in meetings, plannings, etc. and research work is usually given to junior lawyers and interns. You have to get your research done in less time and without compromising the quality. Many people start randomly from somewhere and then end up mixing things. Even if you get what you want, you will spend more time than required for that task. This video will tell you step by step how to do good research with less time and with less efforts. Wait, don't rush to find sources for your research. Before finding proper sources, first thing you must do is analyze the problem. Read the whole case properly. Get a clear picture in your mind about what you need. Get answers to questions like who are the parties involved in the case? Is the location important? If yes, then what is the location and why is it important? Sometimes objects may also be very important, especially in criminal cases. What are the general areas of laws involved? Are the local laws also involved? If yes, then which one? Which court has the jurisdiction? Get answers to such whys and whats related to your case. Then put all the data in a chronological order and try to come up with a solution to that problem. What is the relief sought? Evaluate the legal remedy. Think about how will your client will be entitled to that relief. Then think about the legal issues involved. Prepare a basic research plan. Keep a deadline. Divide your work further into smaller tasks and time yourself. Keep some things with you like a pencil, bookmark tags and a notepad. Also keep a law dictionary. Start your research. Planning is important, but it must not take much time. More time must be given to implementing what you plan. After you have a brief idea about the legal problem, you clearly know what you exactly want to search. And now you also have a plan ready, so just start your work. Consider which of the three groups must have established the law on this issue: the legislature, the courts, or the executive branch. It is quite possible that two or all three groups must have touched that topic. Then look for the statute, case or regulation which applies there. Primary sources. Find out applicable statutes and its relevant sections. Read all sections relevant to your case. Read the explanations and illustrations under those sections and also exceptions given for those provisions. Check for any other provision which will help you understand the main provision. Then go for secondary sources. Read commentaries, judgments, research papers, rules and regulations, etc. You may not completely understand the sections from the bare acts. Most of us don't completely understand because of the language used there. Start with commentaries. Secondary sources are easier to read and understand than the primary ones. So after reading some specific portions from secondary sources, you will surely get some more clarity and you will be able to understand and interpret the law. While reading commentaries, you will also get case laws relevant to your case. Make a note of them. Don't just keep jumping from one source to other at the same time. This will lead to nothing but confusion. Read one source at a time and then move on to another. While reading judgments, be sure that you are reading cases that explain the statutory provisions related to only your case. Here are few points which you must remember while reading case laws. Read the head notes. This part is very useful to skim through the judgment, as judgments are usually lengthy and it may take a lot of time if you keep on reading the whole of it. Look at the facts of that case and then compare it with your case. Determine how the area of law is related. Review the current state of law. Make sure that the law is not being repealed or amended. Support your proposition with the case law. Also find case laws which oppose your proposition. After that, do the second reading of secondary sources and discard irrelevant stuff. The second reading may help you get some point which you may have missed while reading it for the first time. Notes. Do not forget to make notes while doing all these things which I told you right now. If you don't make proper notes, then eventually you are going to search for the same thing. Time to stop. Research is never going to end. You may keep on finding new sources and keep digging in new books and websites. After going through this process till now, you will surely get sufficient information. So stick to your plan and the deadline which you had set earlier. One of the important quality of a lawyer is accuracy. So make sure that you recheck all the points from your notes of your research before presenting it to your boss. Do you have some more tips? If yes, then please comment it below and help your fellow colleagues of this lawyer community. Like, comment and also share this video with your friends. Do subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you never miss any video. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.